Hmm, interesting. पूरा मौसम में ना सब सही रहता है, बस पानी गिर जाता है ना तो थोड़ा सा अच्छा नहीं लगता। गिरना चाहिए, वो बात अलग। ट्रैवलिंग का मजा थोड़ा सा कम हो जाता है, लाइक ज़्यादा। लेकिन तब भी यहाँ इतना तेज पानी नहीं गिर रहा है, एटलीस्ट थैंकफुली। अब यहाँ से दो जगह है, ये है तो यही पहाड़ होगा, पहाड़ है। This is also very beautiful town. See, you can see the hills. These are the hills like a valley, which started from Obernoy and still there. So I think this all Alsace region has the same valley. Only the town is there in that specific small region, but the hills are same. And therefore it's called Alsace region, right? For some reason. Compared to Obernoy, this town gave me some different vibe. Not giving me this 15th century vibe. What Obernoy was giving, like the entire city or town was having the German houses. Like, but this is little different. It has German house for sure, but if you see, it's quite rare. Like I am seeing only one, this one, but others are more into 19th. So I think here some war happened or something has made the building got changed. Actually, only some of the substance and rest are different. I don't know much into history. It's pity that I have not done this free tour guide in Strasbourg. If I would have done, I would have understood more of the history over here. But it's okay. I tried my best. But didn't happen doesn't mean that things are not, I still don't want or like मैं अभी भी एक्सप्लोर नहीं कर सकती, ऐसा तो है नहीं ना। इट्स जस्ट अब जो समझ में आ रहा है, जितना समझ में आ रहा है, जितनी हिस्ट्री में जानती हूँ उसके हिसाब से मैं खुद समझ रही हूँ और आपको भी गाइड कर रही हूँ। Giving me medieval vibe. This particular overnight had the same, but the medieval vibe was missing. It was like a small town, touristic town. This is giving me more of medieval vibe. आप लोग का क्या ख्याल है, कौन सा टाउन आपको ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा, ओबरनॉय और बार? I don't know if I am pronouncing the same because it's Barr only. It's Barr, Barr. But if you come in this kind of town, be sure that everything starts late. If you go out for like exploring, like at 10 o'clock or something, things will be still closed. They quietly open like around 12 noon. So their morning starts noon.
Wanna clear a bottle of Cabernet.
Crystal
Wanna
balls.
stay home, not even drink. Wanna get out of my own head.
Pyramids.
Wanna lay down, overthink. I wanna cry every tear I got. Put
Quite
on a
same.
dress, be a stranger's dream.
Let's
Like a
taste.
piece of
So many cute stuff is there. Oh, so beautiful art. This I can say art, not this one. Not this one. I like that in middle one more. This is also quite good. This one is also.
I kinda wanna hate you, but I wanna love you too. I wanna hold you close and let you go, find someone new.
That's why I was thinking why the where from where the sound is.
What's killing me the most is knowing two things can be true. Wanna throw away your enmity, wanna wear it to sleep tonight. Wanna wipe our slate clean, wanna pick this thing up right where we left off. Wanna block your number, take one last time, make it another. Wish I was one or the other. I kinda wanna hate you, but I wanna love you too.
Very medieval feeling I'm getting from it. And still that medieval vibe is intact here. I don't know if you can able to understand the feeling I'm getting here is too different from overnight.
Two things can be true. If it's black, it's white. If it's wrong, it's right. Soon as I pick one, I switch sides. I kinda wanna hate you, but I wanna love you too. I wanna hold you close and let you go, find someone new. And I wish it wasn't, but my mind's made up in two. What's killing me the most is knowing two things can be true. Two things can be true.
Cute waterfall. Barr, see the name written. Name written of the town. Barr.
Two things can be true.
Some days are bad, bad at best. Foolish notions, foolish lies. I set to thinking I could make something of me, playing every game except the lottery, serving everybody else, told myself I'm free. Misery is a showing state of bad company. Foolish
Wow. Beautiful. Mhm.
You came along and lifted me up. The going got tough, but the tough got some love.
This is all vineyard.
Foolish notions.
In summer, it would be more beautiful because then you can see the trees, like the plants, grapes plants.
Notions that made me wanna cry. Foolish notions.
एक अकेला घर है वहाँ पे, देख रहे हो? एक अकेला घर.
Foolish notions. Well, I said goodbye. Hanging on, walking tall. Some days I got no use for it all. Working hard, making less. Some days are bad.